G'day, welcome to Epic E-Bikes. Today we're going to show you how to unlock a 2019 Levo SL. This will work on other Levo SLs and Creo SLs as well. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to help us do more and show you how to unlock these bikes. Thanks. Okay, first step, we're going to get a T20 Torx. We're going to take off this bash guard. One here and one here. You don't want to lose the washers on them, so be careful with those. Okay, the bash guard's still held on by this bolt. This is a T27 hex we got here. Again, don't lose the washer. Now we'll come round to the other side. Okay, on the other side we need to remove this T20. Okay, now the bash guard can be removed. Okay, next we need to take out this front motor butt. Again, careful not to lose the washer. Next step, we've got to remove this chain guard. Our T20 Torx. Okay, next we're going to take out this middle engine bolt. This is an Allen key. I believe it's a 5mm. These have very skinny washers, so be careful not to lose them. Okay, moving back around to the other side, we've got to take out this middle engine bolt. Back to our T27 hex. Big chunky washer on it. Now we need to just loosen this one, not take it out. Okay, now we've just got to loosen the opposite side as well. Now that it's loose, we can lift up the engine and get access to the plugs we need. Now we're going to disconnect the speed sensor plug here. Just jiggle it off gently. There we go. Now we've disconnected the speed sensor. I'm going to get the SL module. You'll see there's a notch in the plug and a notch in the connector. Just line those up and put them together. Okay, once you've got the chip connected, you can then connect the other connector. There's an arrow that goes on the outside, and that connects just in place where the other one came off. Securely fit it in like that. Grab your module. And then if you can reach, you can pop it down the seat tube. Otherwise you can tuck it in anywhere else that it will fit. Then just gently push your motor back down. If you feel any sort of resistance, pull it up, see what's blocking it, and then repeat the process until you've got it down nice and flush. Then we can start assembling it again. Okay, our engine bolts to put back in. Got the middle one with the Allen key in this case, and the front one here. There's a Torx. Okay, I'll come around the other side. We'll do up this Torx at the back that we loosened off. Also tighten up this Allen key. You can either remove the back wheel or tighten it from a distance like this. And we can get our front bolt, of course our middle bolt, before doing up our middle bolt, our front bolt, we put the guard back on. We get our bolt that goes through the guard on the other side, and we put that back in. Then our two bash guard bolts. Okay, now we got to put the chain guard back on. Just get that locator in, slide it into position, and then put in the bolt. It's a bit of adjustment there you can play with. And there we go.